If you thought the Airbnb frenzy would last forever, think again. I'm Uvika Wahi from Rental Scale Up, your go-to news platform for the latest short-term rental insights tailored for professional managers like you. Today, we're diving into Airbnb's 2024 financial results for the second quarter. Numbers that reveal a cooling market. Growth is slowing, demand is shifting, and quality and differentiation have never been more crucial. So grab your coffee and let's break it down. Airbnb's Q2 2024 revenue came in at $2.75 billion, a solid 11% increase from last year. But that's a step down from the 18% growth in Q2 2023. The post-pandemic boom is clearly easing off, and we're entering a more stabilized yet highly competitive market. The days of easy growth are behind us, so it's time to strategize. Let's talk about gross booking value, or GBV, a key metric that tracks the total dollars guests are spending on Airbnb. GBV rose by 11% year over year, which is good, but down from last year's 13% growth. This suggests that while bookings are still rising, people are spending a bit more cautiously. To stay ahead, maximizing the value you offer is going to be more important than ever. Every detail counts, so make sure your listings are top-notch. What are some of the biggest challenges ahead? Shorter booking windows. In July 2024, early bookings dropped significantly, as reported by Airbnb. Last-minute bookings are helping, but forecasting revenue will now probably feel like rolling dice. Travelers are delaying commitments, waiting for more stability. Flexibility and quick responses will be very key moving forward. Despite these challenges, Airbnb isn't exactly down for the count. Adjusted EBITDA, which is a critical profitability metric, rose by 9% in this quarter. Even though net income did dip by 14%, it was largely due to rising taxes that hit Airbnb. But this is a reminder to keep an eye on costs and stay strategic. The market may be cooling, but there's still plenty of opportunity if you're smart about it. So, how is Airbnb staying ahead, and what can you learn and emulate? In 2024, Airbnb focused on three main pillars for its strategy. The first pillar is making hosting mainstream. With over 8 million active listings, Airbnb is pushing hard to make hosting as common as traveling itself. But they're also tightening things up, removing over 200,000 subpar listings. The message is clear. Quality is king. Ensure your property meets Airbnb's high standards. Positive reviews, excellent amenities, and proactive communication are all essential. Airbnb Strategy's next pillar is perfecting its core service. Guest favorites, a feature highlighting top-rated listings, has already driven over 150 million nights booked after being launched earlier this year. And their new ranking system sorts listings into top tiers like the top 1%, 5%, and even the bottom 10%. And trust me, you want to optimize your listing to reach the top tiers. Bottom tiers risk warnings, suspensions, and even permanent bans from the platform. Lastly, Airbnb is also expanding into new markets and relaunching experiences to deal with this cooling demand. Airbnb is making big moves in under-penetrated regions like Latin America and Asia Pacific, and rolling out initiatives like Airbnb Icons tied closely to its experiences. If you manage properties in these markets or offer unique experiences, now is the time to capitalize on Airbnb's push. Latin America and Asia Pacific are especially pertinent as they're leading in nights and experiences booked for Airbnb. Aligning your strategy with these trends, if you are in these emerging markets, can put you in a prime position to capture new business. Bottom line is, the market is cooling, but that is expected, and your business doesn't have to. Focus on quality, differentiate your offering, and stay flexible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights to keep your rental business thriving. And hey, we've got a free weekly newsletter where we share the latest news and strategies for property managers. The link to subscribe is in the description. I hope you found this episode insightful and packed with value. Don't forget to subscribe to the Vacation Rental Scale Up podcast so you never miss an update. We release new episodes every week, bringing you the latest and most relevant information in the short-term rental industry. Until next time, take care.